Welcome to our brand new series, Yoga on Radio, a program that presents yoga as a way of living that aims towards a healthy mind in a healthy body. Rejuvenate and energize yourself with Yogacharya Dr. Surakshit Goswami, who in his scripts vividly describes the art of practicing yoga. We have with us Ms. Ruchi Pathania and Mr. Suneet Tandon for the presentation.
Dear listeners, today we will practice Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati Pranayama is a traditional internal purification practice or kriya that consists of short, powerful exhales and passive inhales. It is practiced in a sitting position. A wonderful kriya for fighting obesity and diabetes, Kapalbhati eliminates all toxins from the air passages, thus cleansing the body and the mind. In this kriya, blood from the hands and legs starts flowing towards the stomach muscles and other parts, making the food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, gallbladder, pancreas, rectum, liver, kidney, testes, prostate, uterus and ovaries healthier. The kriya also helps in curing ailments related to these organs. Kapalbhati keeps the thyroid and parathyroid glands fit. This exercise cures disorders like constipation, gas, loss of appetite and indigestion. It also helps in treating disorders of the prostate gland and urinary tract. Kapalbhati is also helpful in curing disorders like irregular menstruation, vaginal discharge and excessive bleeding. It helps remove tumors or glands and cures cough, cold and asthma. It is useful in treating skin diseases and preventing hair loss, hair breakage and premature graying. Precaution: if you have heart disease, high blood pressure, chronic asthma or hernia, exhale very slowly.
Sit comfortably and keep your back straight. Place your hands on your knees. Close your eyes and sit in Gyan Mudra. Push your stomach inside below the navel with a jerk and squeeze the muscles of the stomach. Simultaneously, exhale forcefully through the nose, making a hissing sound. After that, relax the stomach muscles which you had squeezed and inhale air without making any sound. Refrain from exerting any pressure while inhaling and allow the air to go inside your body naturally. Push your stomach inside again with a jerk and exhale the air noisily. This practice should be done continuously. Repeat 40 to 50 times or till you are tired. Do 3 rounds of Kapalbhati.
Please note, consult an expert yoga instructor or health advisor for your exercise regime.